The updates start at the interface between driver and vehicle. The steering wheel has been remodeled based on real-world, on-track analysis. With the aim of improving control and maintaining focus on the road, TGR engineers conducted evaluations with professional race drivers to optimize steering wheel design and layout. Using clay model prototypes, they refined its shape and size through repeated track testing. The diameter of the exclusive new steering wheel has been reduced by 5 mm to 360 mm to allow for quicker steering inputs. Meanwhile, the grip area has been enlarged and thumb rests removed to achieve superior response in motorsports conditions. A new switch layout is another direct result of experience gained in motorsports. When drivers often turn the wheel up to 180 degrees without changing their hand position. On traditional designs, this can cause steering wheel-mounted buttons to be pressed accidentally, so the GR Yaris new layout moves all buttons further from the driver's hands to eliminate the issue. Drivers will feel more grip and control thanks to the adoption of newly developed high-grip Bridgestone Potenza race tires. They benefit from revisions to the tread pattern, internal construction, and rubber compound, which delivers enhanced circuit performance whilst also reducing road noise. To maximize this additional traction, front and rear shock absorber damping settings have been modified. Based on TGR's experience of high-grip tires in competitions like Super Taikyu and the Japanese Rally Championship, the electronic power steering, EPS, has also been updated. The operating range of the steering assistance, even during heavy braking and high-load cornering, has been expanded by optimizing the torsion bar rigidity inside the torque sensor and updating the control software.